Hello, dental implant fans. Alina Nawrocki here with an update on All-on-4 dental treatment option. We have been receiving more questions about this. This has been becoming more popular. So today we're going to be talking about questions received from the patients regarding this option. Do All-on-4 will need to be replaced? The portion that is in your jaw, which is implants, are supposed to last you a lifetime. This is very uncommon for the implants to fail, as this phase has about 95% of success in 10 years. However, just like dentists recommend replacing your denture or a crown every 10 years, the same stands true for a full arch. Since full arch is made out of the same material as a single crown, which is zirconia, the time spent for this treatment option will be about the same, which is 10 years. Thank you so much for being with us today. That was Alina Nawrocki from Dental Arts San Diego. If you happen to have more questions or interest in knowing more about this procedure and knowing about this in person, please give us a call or contact us via the website. We'll set in a consultation and you'll get all your questions answered.